Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the vertical ruler is missing in your Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into it. So you have to open your Microsoft Word. So in my case, the ruler is only shown for the horizontal line but not the vertical ruler. So the horizontal ruler is present but the vertical ruler right here that should be standing right here on the left pane is missing. So how can you fix that? That's very easy. Do not panic. At the tabs right here at the top, you will find the File tab, which is the very first tab. Click on that. Then here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on More. Click on Options. And here for the Word options, you will find Advanced. That's under Accessibility. Click on that. Then here for the options, advanced options, we need to scroll down to the display options. This one, display. And here you will find this option, show vertical ruler in print layout view. So make sure this is selected to enable it. Now once done, click on OK. Make sure to do not forget clicking on OK. And now the vertical ruler is back on your Microsoft Word. So that's it. That's how you can easily fix if the vertical ruler is missing on your Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.